Ouers van kinders verbonde aan die Rodepoort Primary School het tot dusver getrou saamgestaan, maar nuwe reëlings ingestel deur die Departement van Onderwys bring nou verdeeldheid. Terwyl sommige steeds meen die skool moet heropen, is ander tevrede met Luthering Primary School. Wat dien as alternatief?
We don't need the school anymore because this school is racist. They want the black, the colored principal. They don't want the black principal.
Yes. All we want is for children to go to Luthering.
We don't want this school anymore because
there's a lot of
disruption. But today we can see the buses. No disruption. We're really happy about it.
We were never given letters to tell us where our children were being relocated. I will not send my child to another school because I don't even know where the school is. And another thing is that other people are putting the kids on the buses. That's fine, I don't have a problem. But they mustn't force the other children that don't want to go. First of all, my child's safety has to come first. And yes, his education. But I'm not sending him to another school because I don't even know where's the school. There's a lot of unhappy people here. They don't want the principal. Why can't they just solve that problem? If the principal and whoever is causing all this is removed, I think the issue will be solved.
Verdere opskudding is veroorsaak toe plaaslike leiers van die EFF hul steun aan die gemeenskap kom bied het.
So we are here to pledge our support to you as the EFF. We don't want to politicize this matter as people talk. But where there are political problems, they need political solutions.
Gemeenskapleiers het dit nie verwelkom nie.
If any political party wants to be part of this, stand at the distance. It's not their fight. It's the community's fight.
We want to work together. We want you guys. We want the support. Please, this is not political. You cannot come and campaign, guys. Please, men.
Maar ander lede van die gemeenskap het op hul beurt weer die besluit verwerp. Die gemeenskap wag nou in spanning op nuwe gesprekke met die Gautengse LER van onderwys, Panyaza Lesufi, voor hulle verdere stappe neem.